Yeah, you're right. You've probably seen already a lot of guides on OpenAI Agent Builder, how to become a master on it. Well, I'm gonna bring a realistic guide today, how you can build your first AI agent with the OpenAI Agent Builder. For beginners, not non-technical guys like me, for example, that you are a normal guy who's studying or who has a job but who wants to have fun maybe or to learn how to build an agent with this app. So I'm gonna be building that today. So without further ado, let's go into. So guys, here we are in OpenAI Agent Builder, and let's be clear, you probably have seen already several guides and really complex ones that are really long. Today I'm gonna just show you a simple one on how you can build your first OpenAI Agent Builder AI agent. Really simple so that everyone can do it as a beginner guide. Because you have already all those advanced guides, but I want one specifically for all the type of people. Just as me, normal guys, not so complex, or people who know code. No, normal people like me. So with this said, let's go directly here and let's click on create. So here I have it in dark because I think that I have put the dark mode in OpenAI ChatGPT. You can configure it in blue. Here you have like an intro to the agent builder. You can go to this
Y abrir una cuenta en un estanco
and you're gonna
lotería te
see
parece
everything
raro?
here.
Dale
That's
tiempo
really
y
cool.
te lo digo.
But well, this is an ad. Well, it's not the video ad. Well, and we're gonna start here. So as you can see, we can have here the code to get it and publish it in other place. It's similar to NA10 as you can see, and we're gonna be working by agents. I think that this is really similar to what VoiceFlow is. Like the Retro AI and Bapi workflows, that's also really similar. Okay, so before we start with the agent, I just wanted to let you know what are these things. So here we have an end of conversation, a node that is just to let a normal node like in NA10, it can be done. Then we have here the file search, that is to go to the database and search all the information. Here we have the word orders, which is not important for beginners right now. We're not going to need it. The MCP, that is going to be to connect to different applications as if we were in an A10 or Make. So if we click here on add, as you can see, we have different types of apps that we can actually use. But I'm going to delete this right now and let's go with this agent. So let's say you are the fantastic assistant of the real estate agent James Williams, and your job is to greet the user saying that you are that assistant, his assistant, let's say, and asking him how you can help him. Fantastic. So right now I think that GPT-5 is not working really good right now for the OpenAI builder. So let's go with GPT-4o mini. And we might want to add some knowledge base so that the agent can also answer some questions. So for that, we're going to use exactly ChatGPT, and we're going to ask him, in this case, can you create me a knowledge base of a real estate agent called James Williams, who works mainly in Florida. Around 2 pages of knowledge base, let's say like this, and now it's gonna be creating it. Let's wait until it creates it. Okay, so there you go, we just got it. I told him to please include it in a docs or a PDF. I'm just gonna download it there, fantastic, and I'm gonna bring it here. I'm gonna actually add the tool, the file search, and there you go, we're gonna include here the recent PDF that we just uploaded. There you go, fantastic. So let's attach it, as you can see here, and I'm also actually gonna include the tool of the web search. I'm just gonna add it like this. Whatever he wants to word search, he can do it. The output format, I always like to put text, but as you can see, we can use later widgets, which it can be done for example, showcasing a real estate house or whatever, a piece of real estate or whatever you want. It's like cool things that we can include, like it was, for example, a chart where we're going to include products in an e-commerce store, whatever you actually want. Here we have the model parameters, the typical things that we used to touch in the AI voice agents, the temperature, the max tokens. We are just gonna leave everything on automatic so that you don't have to change anything here. And I think I'm gonna leave everything like this. So whatever. So you can click here on preview. You have to verify your organization before. Just when you put here your cursor, it will take you to a page where you can verify. You just have to take a photo of your document ID. Click here, and I wanna start with an example of hey. There you go. So let's close this one and let's start with a new one. For example, let's say, what properties do you guys sell, for example? And now it's gonna tell us the greetings, and then it's gonna tell us this. There you go. Okay, so once here, let's do something really simple as we just created this agent. And remember that what we want to do is use some simple MCPs. So as you can see here, we have the possibility of adding the Gmail. We have also the possibility of adding, in this case, the Google Calendar. But the easiest way is to come here to Zapier and in this case, connect your API key. How can we do it with the Zapier MCP? You first have to connect your account here. You can do it completely free. You'll have to then come here, copy this, in this case API key, this one, copy secret, and paste it here. Okay, so once it is pasted, you have to come back here and you will just have to start adding tools. You will click here, go to Gmail, add all Gmail tools, and you will have to connect here your account and click on add all Gmail tools so that you can use them. So right now I'm gonna actually do that. So what I've done is come here to my agent and add. If the user says he wants the extra info to be sent to his email, ask for his email and name and use the Zapier MCP to send the email. And here, answer all the questions the user may have. So we're gonna come here and we're gonna add a tool. We are gonna add, in this case, the file search, the file that we actually created some days out before. There you go, and I'm gonna attach it. I'm gonna also, why not, add in this case the web search. It's not gonna be a bad option, yeah, like that. And we're also gonna add the MCP server, which is gonna be the Zapier one. So as I said, I'm gonna come back to Zapier. I'm gonna click here on connect. Here, I'm gonna copy my secret. There you go. Bring it back here. And I just have to click on connect, and there you go, as I already added my Gmail and Google Calendar tools. So once the connection is established, as you can see, we have all these tools instead of having to go one by one. I'm gonna click on add, as you can see. So what are we gonna do now? What we're gonna do now is come here and just preview it. I'm gonna publish it first. I'm gonna click here, publish, and let's see how can we create it. So I'm gonna click on preview, and I'm gonna say, hey there. Let's see what he tells me. Hello, how can I assist you with your real estate needs today? So let's say, where does James Williams operate? There you go. So let's see what it tells us. It's a common real estate agent across the United States, Ohio, a lot of places. Perfect. So what we're gonna say now is, can I be sent more info about his properties? And now it's gonna probably ask us for the email and name. There you go. So my name is Diego, and email me to this email. There you go. Gmail.com, for example. Yeah, there you go. So now it should get the email, and it's gonna probably ask me to approve an operation. It might do it. Oh no, there you go. So it's actually, the search on web is actually bringing me down. It's like dragging me back. So I'm gonna take out the word search on web and let's test it again. Let's say, well, I'm gonna publish it first, of course. There you go. And now is the moment again to come here and put hey there. Again, let's go. So it's gonna tell us, how can I assist you? I want to be sent more information to my email, please. Let's say like this. And now it's gonna probably ask me for my email. Yeah, it's gonna say, tell him Diego and Tribex, and I'm gonna put here my email so that it can be sent there. Fantastic. So let's see what it tells us right now. As you can see, Gmail _ send email. I'm gonna approve it so that Zapier can use actually that that system that can actually use it. So right now it's processing. I think that we should probably specify in the prompt that it's gonna, from which email is gonna be sent and everything. So let's wait to what it tells us, and I will tell you right now. So there you go. As you can see, it just asked me again the approval, and the detailed real estate information has just been sent. I come to my email, and as you can see, hello Diego, thank you for your interest. I'm sending you detailed information, and we would just have to specify here inside the AI agent what we would want to send it without any problem inside the prompt. So that's how actually is created this small AI agents inside OpenAI Chat Builder. I just wanted to do this small guide for beginners so that they can create their first one, not a lot of advanced guide, no, just the first one for people like me that are not so technical and want just to test it, have fun, and maybe when not in the future can make some money for it. But right now, this is what we've done today. So guys, I hope you've enjoyed the video and you've learned how to build your first AI agent with the OpenAI Agent Builder. It has taken me a while to build this video and to create it, because I had to take into account which could be beginner guides, things, and which not. So beginner friendly actually. So that's all. Again, thank you for watching and see you in the next.